right, guys, so the first thing we want to do is enter some of your billing information. So in the bottom left, you want to click on your username, click on billing. And then from there, you'll be brought to this payment method section. So you want to just go ahead and put in your credit card information and store it in Vapi. From there, you want to go to the left-hand side under phone numbers, and you want to go ahead and click up here for buy number and put in an area code. Adding a number costs $2 per month. So you can buy it directly from Vapi, or you can import a number from Twilio or Vonage. I imported a number, but for ease, just accessibility, just buy the number from Vapi if you just want to mess around with it. Once we've set up the billing, we want to go to the upper left, click on Assistant, and then create Assistant. We can use a blank template, and we can call this assistant Jennifer. Okay, create the assistant. And once we've done that, we want to go ahead and start filling the blanks. So let me go ahead and pull up my Word document here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the system prompt. So the system prompt is all the directions that the voice agent's going to have. Agency, okay. And then above that, the first message is essentially the opening line that the voice assistant is going to provide the caller. So here we can just give it a basic, thank you for calling Fake Real Estate Agency. This is Jennifer. How may I assist you today? It's pretty basic, pretty standard. Okay, so at this point, we can go ahead and save this. So we want to click on Publish on the right-hand side. All right, and once that's been published, we can go ahead and start changing some of the, let's go change the voice. So if we click on Voice right here, we want to go ahead and select from the different providers. I like 11 Labs. I think they have very realistic sounding voice agents. The voice, really doesn't matter. You can select whatever you want here. Just really quick for reference, on the left-hand side, if you click on Voice Library, you can go ahead and mess with all the different voices here, so you can hear. So you've got Zabra. There we go. Or we can do Amir.
Change in all things is sweet.
Or we can do Selena.
Failure doesn't mean you are a failure. It just means you haven't succeeded yet. Failure doesn't mean you are.
Okay, right. We get the point, right? So you can mess with the agents here, and then if you copy the ID. All right, so under voice, we want to go ahead and click here, and we want to select the provider, 11 Labs. They're usually a pretty reputable platform for creating very realistic sounding AI voice agents. And then the voice, we can just leave it to the standard Sarah is fine. So once we've done that, we want to scroll down, and the background sound, we can flip it to Office. Office will simulate a busy office environment, and it'll create the illusion of hustle bustle.
Come on, leave it, woman!
Get out of the way. Go, go, go!
Once we've done that, we can click on Publish. We can go back to the model here. Okay, so once we've done that, let's go ahead and test the voice assistant out. In the upper right, let's click on Talk with the Assistant, and let's see what she sounds.
Calling Fake Real Estate Agency. This is Jennifer. How may I assist you today?
Hi, Jennifer. How are you doing today?
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, I just had some questions about, I'm actually looking to purchase a home, and I just had a few questions about the process.
That's great to hear. I'd be happy to assist you with any questions you have about the home buying process. To get started, could I have your name, please? And are there any specific questions you have in mind about the process?
Okay, so here you have it. The voice agent is working, and it was immediate within a few minutes. So here, I'm going to turn it off. So that's about it. I mean, it's really as simple as that. So there you have it. It's really as simple as that with building one of these out and having some proof of concept for people to be able to actually see what an AI voice agent can do. Because a lot of people don't know, when they think of these voice agents, they think of something very complicated, like this new technology, and how do they do it? How do they build it? It's actually really, really simple to build out. Now, before I, leave it at this is very simple, I just want to let you guys know that there is a lot more comes down to actually building an effective and an efficient voice agent. The first one is the system prompting. System prompting is so crucial because it provides the foundation for the AI interactions, right? So it enables it to better understand context, tone, user goals, and you just want to make sure that it's as clear as possible. So when you set up these prompts, you're pretty much saying, hey, here's the vibe and here's what we're trying to do. So the AI can respond in a way that actually fits what you're looking to get after, right? So you're not wasting your time with irrelevant stuff. It's powerful because it gets things on track from the start, making the whole experience way smoother and way more accurate. Right, now the other thing with voice agents, if you want to have a really good sounding voice agent, so there's so much more than just what we created here. If you look here under voice, if you scroll to the bottom, there are all these settings: stability, clarity, style, exaggeration. There's function settings, right? Part of it. So creating the agent is just half the battle. The other half is actually creating the different connections to the various applications that you're going to use. Google Calendar, Calendly, CRM software like Salesforce, text messaging services, Airtable, right? There's just a lot of things that you're going to have to connect this voice agent to, and part of that comes down to like creating the functions properly and the system prompt properly. And then there's just advanced settings here too. So there's just a lot more than just building the voice agent in 5 minutes. Other than that, that's all I have for today, and I hope you guys got a lot of value from this. Thank you. Yep. Other than that, that's all I got today.